How to get PayPal email address. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can quickly get to your PayPal's email address or even see how you can add a new one. First thing you do is go ahead and open up your web browser and then simply tap on the search bar and search for PayPal. Hit enter, and once you head over to paypal.com, just make sure to log into your account. So click on login. And once you hit the verification, what you need to do is quickly complete this security check. And once that is done, you should be logged into your account. Now, in order to find your email address in PayPal, all you have to do is find the gear icon right beside the logout, click on it, and it will take you directly to your account section. So if you are on any other tabs, just make sure to head over to account tab. And once you get here, you'll find your email right here. You will see your emails. This is my primary email. And if I want to add a secondary email, I can click on add. Then just enter your email address. Once you do that, just click on confirm. It will send you a verification code on that email, and you should be able to verify it and add your secondary email. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.